Unleashed really is the backbone of our organization, from handling all our production requirements through managing inventory, dealing with sales and distribution. It is the workhorse of our company. My name is Alex Campbell. I started Good Buzz Kombucha with my wife 4 years ago down in Wellington. Today we have 8 staff and we're based here in Tauranga, New Zealand. I stopped drinking alcohol about 8 years ago. 1/1/11 is my date for personal reasons. But Amber was keen to give me an alternative that I could take to barbecues and social functions. So we started making kombucha because it had that yeasty kind of beer-like flavor profile, but without the alcohol. So that's really kind of what started this all. Kombucha appeals to a very diverse group of people. My grandmother started making this kombucha she called Manchurian mushroom tea back in 1974, so the older generation certainly enjoys it, but even Gen Xers like myself thoroughly enjoy it, and even youngsters. We're stocked nationwide, including supermarkets, cafes, bars, restaurants, smaller markets like bin-in stores, and over 164 Z service stations. Our company's story is very exciting. In just 4 years, we've gone from a small family operation to a year ago we did a deal with Lime. They're a 25% shareholder. So we've gone from selling at the farmers markets to having over 1,500 retailers nationwide and growing.
So my name's Belinda. I am the accounting manager here at Good Buzz, and I've been here for a year now. Good Buzz is an all-inclusive company, and it's more like a family than a company. Basically, we work as a team, so we do a multitude of different tasks and jobs, and we make sure that we all help each other out. Adopting Unleashed has basically enabled us to effectively and efficiently track our product a lot more. It just means that we're able to recognise where stock is and if we have stock available.
Before we started using Unleashed, we were making about 30,000 litres per month. We're now up around 100,000 litres per month, from 7 SKUs to now 13 SKUs.
A year ago when I did first start, we didn't have the EDI, which wasn't a connection with Unleashed. As soon as we were able to put those integrations in place, it enabled us to have all of our foodstuffs orders come in at once, rather than having to manually pop them in.
Unleashed has been able to accommodate the growing number of transactions that we have every month. We haven't had to employ more staff, but our transactions have increased by 250% since we started using Unleashed.
Unleashed has allowed us to establish where our production sits, so it means that we're able to manage every part of production from start to finish. Previously it was more like a guessing game. So Unleashed has basically enabled me to manage my time a lot better. Instead of doing a lot of data entry, I'm now able to use that time on reporting and forecasting and things that are a little bit more beneficial. We find Unleashed support incredibly beneficial for our business. If we come into any kind of issue, we simply contact one of the team at the customer service desk, and they're able to help us with this problem as soon as possible.
As a small but growing company, you really need confidence in the software tools that you have, and Unleashed gives you that confidence. We know that as we continue to grow and expand into more bars, more restaurants, cafes, supermarkets, we have the tools that we need, and we can also look at those overseas opportunities too. Once you reach a threshold with a business, you really have to take a close look at the tools that you have available and have confidence in knowing that that platform is going to be able to grow with you. And Unleashed is an awesome platform to be able to allow that.